The tip so I can have the proper amount that I want to use. I'm trying to score it to get opened a little bit before I cut it. So I'm just like separating the pile. Just enough so I can get in there and get a clean cut. Always use a sharp blade.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm opening a pile and then I'm going in with my blade, and my blade should cut it nice and clean. Now, if I lean on this blade, I'm gonna cut into the carpet, and I don't wanna do that. I wanna have it so it doesn't have a heel on it, but it has a clean edge.
I see.
See if I can break it where I cut it,
I see.
and then I'm just following that.
That's so easy.
But that's what it is. We just guide that right on the side. So Francesco, what I put a little bead here, and the contact will naturally want to go down, so we don't want it to go on the face. So what I do is I take it, go to the very end, and then I get my hands dirty, and I push it down, and I try to get it so it seals it high and low. But when it goes on the face like that, you don't want it to go on the face. You want it to actually just stay on the side. So when I push it in to the other one, you're going to see it won't be on the face. You try not to keep it on the face. You just try to rub it in and rub it down.
One guy doing this, one is dirty.
Yeah. It's okay. I don't want to get it too close anyway because it's already going to be.
It's gonna grab.
Yeah. But once it grabs, though. Okay, so you see what I left it so it's just slightly, you know, a little longer, just a little longer. Is it dry already? No, it's drying very fast. So I don't want it to stick, because once it sticks, it's gonna grab. Yeah, what I want is I want this to be sealed, and I want this to dry, okay? And I want that to be sealed and this to dry. If you put it together wet, I mean, you know, after it's tacks up, it's gonna stick and it's gonna pull. But we're gonna be cementing this, so we just wanna get it so it's sealed. I said like the color of the contact actually is gonna work a little better here. If you put too much contact, it's gonna come up, it's gonna get dark. You're gonna see all your seams. You're gonna see it on the front.
Too much sealer.
Too much sealer. Yeah, for too much contact, no matter what you use. But this color is blending in better with this color.